Jeffrey on drums, Timothy the synth, Ron and the other guitars. And for our last song, it's from the band Kala, and the song is actually a mid 2000 hit, no? Tama? And then the story of this was, kasi wala sila sa Spotify, nasa YouTube lang. Eh since kaibigan ko naman sila, nagpaalam talaga ako. Tapos yun, may kasulatan naman kami. So yun, sana lang kasi pinayagan nila kaming gawa ng version ng yung song nila na to. Yan, palapan natin Kala for creating this masterpiece. And sobrang bagay din niya ngayon because of the Jeepney Face Out. So, sana magustuhan yung version namin. For last song, this one's out. Everything that you heard is already out on that's yan nakalabas sa Spotify. So, hope you guys listen to our other songs too as well. And yes, for our last song, this one's called Jeepney. Good night.
Sinis, mamulagan lang na kanina pa kita kasi napapansin. Magkakilala ba tayo ay hindi, pasensya na. Parang sinis, ulit lang po. Ganda mo palang tumawa, pwede bang magpakilala sa'yo? Huwag kang matakot sa'kin, hindi ako multo. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang, pasuyo lang ng bayad ko, ng bayad ko. Tupig na, huwag lang na kanina pa kita kasi napapansin. Makakilala ba tayo ay hindi, pasensya na. Huwag kang matakot sa'kin, hindi ako multo. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang, pasuyo na lang ng bayad ko, ng bayad ko. Tupig na, tupig na lang, sandang ang Jeepney. Isang daan taon na nabasagan kita at Thank you.